Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure Magnifier's view. This is like advanced settings, more settings for you who are often use Magnifier like this. This is the Magnifier. Will zooming extra zoom on your system, and you can adjust the level up to 1016%. And here you can try to set up your magnifier. Let's close first and go to the settings and go to the accessibility and click on magnifier. Here there is a view. You can break down by click it. You can press Ctrl Alt and M to cycle through view. You can press Ctrl Alt and arrow keys to move the magnifier windows around the screen. So this is like the default one. You can choose a dock or lens. You can try one by one based on your preferences. And here we go. Have magnifier follow your mouse pointer or keyboard focus as like arrow keys to move. Text cursor or narrator cursor, you can click or you can adjust it. And here we go. You can keep the mouse pointer within the edge screen or center on the screen. This is the default. The within is the default one. And keep the text cursor. You can center on screen or within the edge of the screen. So you can set it. You can configure your magnifier from here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next